What's up, guys? Coming to you with a little teaser tutorial today. Not a tutorial, more of a preview. I just want to show you what I made today, and this is one of my HD videos that is available in April. And it's counter melodies, and as what you'll see is when you sign up, you get access to 20 hours minimum each month. Really cool content like this. It's basically me making tracks for myself, working on clients' tracks. It's day-to-day production, seeing real life shit, nothing hidden. And just, showing you how I make my my Beatport #1 selling tracks, blah, blah, blah. So let's have a look. Now, I'd already been working on a track with a client, and when I am working with a client, generally, if the client has enough hours each month, we'll do something called a parallel track technique. And what that means is, when we sign up and we start our lessons, the first lesson we do is more of an introduction. But after that, I will spend my lesson starting a new track and work on it for about an hour. And the client will see what I do in that hour and watch my process and things like that. Then he'll go away in his own time and he'll come back and he will do what I have done. He'll start a new track and follow my methods. And then in the next lesson, I will review what he's done. And then we'll load up the track and I'll carry on working on my track, following my 10-step guide. And what it means is, over the course of about a year, or however long they're subscribing for, however long they're a one-to-one client for, they get to see me make a track from start to finish with all the mistakes, all the hardships, all the good bits. And yeah, the best thing about it is, at the end of it, they've got their own track, which they've made with me in parallel. I can't say that word properly. In parallel. And with me critiquing it, helping them along the way. So that's what I've been doing with John. We started the track the other day. Now, normally I will start with the main melody, but in this case, I did all the bass first and stuff. But then we went on, we did the melody. And today I just wanted to show him how to bring your tracks to life. So I'm just going to show you without the counter melodies that I've done today, and then I'm going to show you with the counter melodies. So look, that's a sick melody, man. It sounds amazing. I'm buzzing with that. However, it's not really coming to life, and that's where a counter melody will come to life. So what you do and what you see me doing in the video, I create one melody, and then I deconstruct it and make 4 or 5 separate versions. So it creates something really special out of one starting idea. Then I create 2 more counter melodies. We're using different sounds. And yeah, this is now massively come to life. Now, bear in mind, no effects, no atmosphere, not mixed. But yeah, this is what you see me do today. I build all the counter melodies. And it's just one of many videos that you get access to each month. So I'm not going to blab on. Please do look at these packs. Go to Amplified, see what's available. It's $40 a month, and it's an absolute bargain what you get. So let's play it. So super, super, super cool. Go to Amplified, check it out, join. It's $40 a month. If you don't like it, you don't have to say subscribed, but if you do, there's going to be amazing rewards for you guys. So yeah, try it out. It's an insane amount of content. The HD videos alone are worth over $600, no, euros. So they're worth over 800 euros just for the videos each month. $800, sorry, oh my God. It's been a long day. Anyway, I don't want to blab on, but yeah, any questions, give me a shout. Go over to Amplified and subscribe.